This dining room chair set was supposed to take about a week to arrive, but I was shockingly surprised by Amazon because they showed up on my doorstep overnight. This is the $240 Bohemian Amazon dining room chair set. It is a set of 4, and I'm so excited to skip the pleasantries and go straight into unboxing this, setting it up, and seeing just how hard or how easy it is to actually set up this dining room set. This is the table that I unboxed and put together last week, so make sure you guys go check out that video if you want to see a really great, affordable, high-end designer dupe to the viral coffee cloud table. I love it. I think it's super cute, and it was really easy to assemble, so make sure you check out that video.
Alrighty, so we're gonna slice this bad boy open here. I love how it says not to do it this way, but I did anyways. Uh-oh. I hope I didn't scratch up the actual chairs.
Sorry, Bear.
We got a new chair set, Bear. We got a new chair set, Bear. Look at it. Looks great, huh? What do you think, buddy? What do you think? Do you think we got a good chair set going on for us? Do you think it's a good chair set? I think so. I think so, Leo. You're so cute. But take a look at this. They packaged it up pretty nicely, so I guess let's take this out and start assembling everything together.
I'm really happy with this so far. Like, I think that this is a really pretty chair. Like, look at that. And it has almost like this cool shell-like design on the back, which is really what made me interested. And you guys can see that it matches my couch really nicely because I'm kind of going for this color, this burnt orange, with little accents of different colors like the green. But in general, this is kind of like the main thing of my apartment. So this matches perfectly. I love it. This is the first chair done, and I actually timed myself to see how long it would take for me to build this. It took me about 7 minutes to finish this, so I'm gonna go ahead and try and power through the rest of these chairs, then bring them back together, and we'll look at all of them, and then I'll bring you guys over to my dining area, and we'll place them and just kind of organize my table to look cute. Then I'll give you guys a full glimpse of in the inside of my apartment so you can see kind of the aesthetic I'm going for. And then leave me some suggestions in the comments.
I'm a little bit disappointed because look over here. I don't know what happened, but there's like a whole chunk missing from the side, so I'm definitely gonna ask for some kind of like either discount or complete refund. I don't know. I don't feel like shipping this back, and I don't think they can even accept something like this because look at that. Like the wood is literally out. That is horrible. I'm glad that it's on the side. I'll just make sure it's one of the chairs that aren't really like showing outwardly, because that's crazy. Okay, this has got to be like the weirdest thing I think I've ever seen ever. These two like screws are literally stuck together. I don't know what to do about it. I may have to take like a hammer and bang them off, but I'm like, this is exactly why I feel like I always tend to prefer Temu. Like this is literally coming from Amazon and I already have 2 issues with it. This like broken side piece here, and now these screws are stuck together. Like, what am I supposed to do with that? I really don't know. They're literally like jammed together. I don't know what to do. Probably gonna have to take a hammer to this. That's all I can think of.
All right, so all the chairs are together now and they look amazing. I really, really love them. I'm excited to put them next to my table and show you guys what that looks like. It took me about 34 minutes and 35 seconds and 0.09 milliseconds for me to complete all of these chairs. So it takes a little bit over a half an hour. That's not too bad, but if you're somebody who has a hard time assembling things, that is kind of a journey, so keep that in mind. So this is a $240 set, and so far, I would say it's totally worth the money. The fabric and material is very like velvety, it's very soft. I love the color. It's also kind of like a suede material. And not only that, but the hugging around your back, the back support is actually really, really great. I think it's because of this shape here, but it's actually a very comfortable, very soft chair. So I'm ready to put this around my dining table, clean it up a little bit, and then let's see what my apartment looks like after that.
As you guys can see, this is what the chairs look like. I think they look really nice, honestly. I really love the way they look, and they really match the aesthetic of the rest of my apartment. So you guys can kind of see there's the couch from before. There we have the coffee table and then the chaise lounge as well. Now you guys can see what the inside of my apartment is starting to look like. We still have to get a rug or some kind of carpet to put there for sure because I just want that to look better. But for right now, this is pretty much what it is starting to look like. And personally, I am happy with this. I really like it. I like it a lot. I think the chairs look amazing. Let me know what you guys think.
Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Make sure you subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Give this video a thumbs up because it helps me a lot. And check out all of my social media links down below in the description box. If you guys are interested in checking out these chairs, I will also put the links down below. And please comment. Let me know what you guys think of these. If there's anything you want me to buy so that you don't have to, because I would love to do that. But without further ado, I will see you guys in the next video. Thank you again so much for watching this video. Peace on the streets. Love you guys.